How professional traders use GeniiData. Trading Elite's experience sharing session.
The Fear and Greed Index, we have the daily market tide, and the nice thing is that you can switch time frames. So we have 1 minute go to 15. And the green line is actually daily call premium, so how many longs are put in, and the red line is how many puts are put in, so shorts. And the idea behind that is that when the red line is above the green, the market is more likely to drop, and when the green is above the red, it's more longs. And it's nice because everything is in real time. You can see we have a very precise time frame, 1 minute. I wouldn't trade 1 minute because it's a little sketchy in crypto, but we can go to a 15 minute and everything is perfectly visible and fine. Also, medium time frame, so 1 hour. You can see how the price fluctuates and how the traders think. So that's also a nice thing. Below, we have the top gainers, losers, relative volume, just very great stuff. If we are looking maybe to load on some altcoins that just recently dropped, you can buy some. If you want to sell or short any altcoins, you can look up the top gainers. And Acro is an interesting one. It's a low value, it's a low market cap probably altcoin because the value is below 1 cent, but the volume is good, so just pumped. The one thing that I really like in GeniiData is the event calendar. It's just below. We can see here every event that's happening today in crypto, and the most interesting, we just had a halving like half an hour ago maybe. So later we can jump into a Litecoin chart and just see what happened there. Because many people think that a halving is a bullish thing. Obviously it's bullish, but in long term, not in 15 minutes, not in a day, not in a week, but in like more to 3 months to 6 months to a year. And I'm more than sure that it has dropped when the news came of the halving. So that's it from my end.
Yeah, should we, if I want to add something, just a little, because I think everything has been said in here. As Thomas mentioned in the beginning, the Fear and Greed Index, I would say it gives us overview what type of people are still in the market. I know there are a lot of people, when they see the extreme fear on the market, they stay out of the market. And I would say I go opposite way, because when the people are scared to make move on the market, the biggest money can be made, honestly. Because when everything is between greed and extreme greed, of course it's fine because a lot of people are interested in the market. The situation is pretty much set what's going to happen. And on extreme fear, even though it is super hard to trade, it's also worth it to trade. Based on everything that Thomas said, look at the top gainers or top losers in one place. Same with Acro. What I can say from my experience is that the gainers that are having a big spike, they're always dropping down to consolidate and fill voids being left on the market. Same with the losers. So when we have any pump not caused by some natural habit of the market, so filling gaps or breaking some patterns, taking supply or taking some order blocks, when you have some unusual pump, it always calms down an hour after or 2 hours after, and it's going back down just to consolidate and retest this entire pump. So having the top gainers in one place, to have an overall look at the market, what can drop, what can go up, is definitely a go. And yeah, the event calendar is actually amazing in here.